Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Geraldine Isuzie. If you're just joining us, thank you so much for joining. This channel is all about natural skincare tutorials and lifestyle. Our topic for today is on the making of an immunity boosting and skin juice. This juice contains carrots. Carrot is very rich in vitamins A, about the richest source of vitamin A besides palm oil. And it's also a member of the beta-carotene family that is rich in antioxidants that helps to keep your skin glowing. We also have beetroot. Beetroot is rich in folate and also in vitamin C, which makes it also very good on the skin. We're also making use of oranges. Oranges, like we all know, is also very rich in vitamin C to help keep your skin glowing and also boost your immunity. But before we get right into it, I'm going to make a disclaimer here. For the fact that I called it an immune boosting juice, because I am not a health practitioner, so I don't want you jumping into it because you heard it will help to boost your immunity. You still have to check in with your health provider before you go into making this juice. But I have used it and it has worked for me, both on my skin because of the vitamin A and vitamin C content of the juice, and also it has also helped to boost my immunity. But I wouldn't know the health concerns that you have, which is why you must consult with your health provider first, before your health provider or your medical practitioner, before going ahead to take this juice. Because excess of everything might not be too good. So let's get right into the making of this juice. But before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Share as well. Click on the notification bell so you always be the first to know once I have new content. So let's go into the preparation proper. The carrots and beets have been peeled and washed, as you can see. I didn't peel the back of the oranges because I only need the juice. So I'll just squeeze out the juice. It's just the juice alone I need. So I'm now dicing into blendable pieces, chopping into blendable pieces for the making of this. done with dicing the carrots, and I'll now dice the beetroot. Removing the spoiled parts. So we are done with this. Now go ahead to juice our orange. This is my juice extractor. Use it to extract the orange juice so that the seed doesn't get in. And do likewise to the others as well. So orange juice will serve as a liquid. You don't need to add water when blending. You just pour in your carrots, the beetroot, then pour in the orange juice and you blend. So as you can see, here is our orange juice without the seed and the chaffs in it. So I'll now go on to blend and also sieve off the chaff in it, since it's a juice and not a smoothie. I'll be right back. Here we are, our immune boosting beetroot juice. Here is it. Depending on the shade of the beetroot, it could get darker, and then it could be like a reddish color, depending on the shade of the beetroot or the species of the beetroot. That's why it's more like carrot color, because the beetroot wasn't so red. That's why it came out like this. So you have your drink that will help glow your skin and also boost your immunity. Remember, consult with your doctor before taking this drink, especially if you have any history of any ailments. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sure you got value, so do share and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so you always be the first to know once I have new content. Are you struggling with acne? Do you have self-esteem issues as a result of the scars left by acne? Is it so bad that you can't go out without wearing makeup to cover up the scars? The Acne Handbook is a book I've put together to help you get rid of acne. It talks about the different types of acne, how it is formed, what predisposes your skin to having acne breakouts, how your skin fares in different seasons and climates, the kind of foods you can eat to maintain a clear skin, and the foods you should stay clear of if your skin is acne prone or oily. The myths and facts surrounding acne, so you don't just believe what people say about acne, but get to know the facts as well. The skincare regimen, you can create the basic steps to help you clear your skin. To order your own copy of the Acne Handbook, there's a link on the screen and also in the description of this video. Click on it to get your own copy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.